How to get your hair to have a flow is the topic of today's video. And what do I mean by flow? So hey everyone, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and I'm gonna show you guys what that means. I get a lot of requests about how to get your hair to kind of move like this. Now when you look at this mannequin here, it's got a serious flow to it. The main reason why the hair will move like this is the texture. In order to have your hair to be very workable, very pliable, and easy to maneuver is because if you have straight hair, meaning it's not curly, it's not wavy, if it's a even finer to somewhat medium texture or density, and the hair just it's not too thick, you're able to actually, have more success with styling options. The next thing is the right haircut. So even looking at this mannequin right in through here, you can see that the whole haircut has a flow to it. And that is how I cut hair. I cut hair to make sure that there's a focal point of the haircut. So in this situation, it's tapered and gradually going shorter to longer in through the back, in through the sides, as you can see in through here. But on this side, the main focus was to have this blending into this part in through here. So this is the focal point of the haircut. And anytime you're trying to have something that has a little more texture, a little more length in the front, you have to make sure that it's blended, right? And it's blended in a way that still looks very, very natural and it's easy to comb. Now, aside from blending, really what's most important is that the hair is layered. And what does layering do? Layering removes weight. So all of this hair, and let's turn this here, all of this hair right in through here, as you can see, is layered. And even when I drop that hair down, what happens is, look at how it lays on top of the other hair. It's short, right? But it's all worked into the rest of the haircut and the rest of the style. And what's also unique about this, if you notice, it goes from shorter to longer this way. So it's longer towards the front and shorter to the back. Because what that is showing, it's showing us that yes, the front here is the focal point of the haircut. And that's how you're gonna get that flow. So when getting your haircut, make sure that one, the stylist or the barber does not end up cutting this part too short, right? Another big thing, if the hair is too short, meaning it's way up here, it's just gonna look hideous. If the hair is too long, meaning like this goes all the way down to your lip or there's no layers in it, if it's not the right length, it's just gonna keep falling right in your face. So it's really important to make sure you've got the length right when it comes to being right in the front here. Even on haircuts like this has always been somewhat of a popular hairstyle where you see, TikTokers with this kind of haircut, or you see just like, it's a trend that, if a dude wants to grow his hair out and have it look messy in your face, it's suddenly like, everybody wants that haircut. So even with this, it's longer, yes, but it has a flow to it because of the layers, because of the length in front here. If this was cut really short, like way up here, it would just look horrible. It would look like a mullet, like a really, really bad, not that there's anything wrong with mullets, but it would just be like really unbalanced and it wouldn't look right unless this was worked into the entire shape. But even to get this, as you can see right into the top, once again, there's layers right in through here. So your hair needs to be layered, it needs to be cut properly, and if it's not, unfortunately, you're not gonna get the desired hairstyle. And once again, on one of my most recent videos on how to get, how to layer your undercut, again, look at this. Even though it's an undercut in through here, the whole top is layered. If this wasn't layered, it would literally just hang straight down and you wouldn't have any movement. You can't see the layers because they're blended properly, but you can get a lot of volume, you can flip the hair around, and it's gonna actually really create a much better look. So hopefully this helped you guys out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you found these tips helpful. If you've got any questions, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy New Year, everyone, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.